How to reset Google Voice password. First of all, go to voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you have forgotten your password or want to reset it for security reasons, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Next, tap on Manage your Google account. After that, go to the Security tab. Here, you will see the password option. Tap on it and enter your current password again to verify your identity. Once verified, create a new strong password. Make sure your new password is unique and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. After resetting, return to the Google Voice app or website and sign in using your new password. Your account, messages, and calls will remain intact. Now you know how to reset your Google Voice password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.